Hi, DEC. Thank you for the opportunity to present today. My name is Don White, CEO and co-founder of Satisfi Labs. We want to tackle a difficult problem, which is that destinations and experiences really have a hard time making their data information both accessible and actionable in order to create better customer experience that's difficult to measure, as well as drive new revenue for their current and repeat customers. See, these customers change constantly, event to event. It's very hard to understand their true wants and needs. And they will want to buy something, whether it be a reservation, a food item, or a ticket. It means that it's something that we need to understand so we can centralize it and provide one utility for them. These types of places have a lot of things that we can do in the customer journey management side of the business. So we use conversational AI to influence their decisions, which is as simply as putting the right information in their hands at the right time. Maximizing staff with ratios that exist in many of these locations, it's difficult for every touch point to be human. And then collect new data. When people talk to a bot or a virtual assistant, they do reveal their true intentions. When we started the company back in 2016, we had a simple idea that it would take many mini AI assistants in order to accomplish a big goal. Something like a baseball stadium in the US meant that you had tremendous volume of customers all wanting different things. So we've taken a unique approach to AI. We've built many little assistants that run around with expertise and know exactly what to do and how to operate. In this client example, there's actually 3 teams that operate, one on the guest experience side, one on the commerce side, and one in engagement. But they all work together as they're connected by our core product, the answer engine. Each assistant has its own role, its own KPI. Very similar to how you would look at an employee, you can value what each assistant is doing and what they bring to the table. If you look at F&B, it knows everything about food and beverage that's available, including what's not available and what interests might be outside the location itself. If you drill down a bit deeper, you see it can distribute info, provide purchase discovery, and demand side intelligence means we know what the customer wants, even if it's not available. You could see some of the statistics there about beer brands at some of the popular live events recently, as well as what types of food and beverage people are actually looking for. If you're a CPG, there's branding opportunities for all of these products. So if we take the F&B example again, there might be a certain brand that wants to be prevalent and identified as a preferred idea. This concept starts to grow. So now that you're managing the entire customer journey, whether it be voice on the left with Google or SMS on the right with Apple, it could also be done on your website or any other digital touch point. Provides us, again, the information not just about their specific food preference, but what about health and safety concerns? And then what other insights can we drive to our customers based on preferences around things like electronic currencies, which are a rage right now, or certain ways to provide premium service like in-seat delivery. Each assistant has its own KPI. Tampa Bucks have the ability to look at their game day staff ratio improvement based on this one. Wicked has sold tickets, has a 7x ROI and gets a higher price per ticket than others, as well as the Riverbanks Zoo and Garden Facility Assistant. So now they're improving the deflection capabilities of the system, reducing the need for human input, as well as helping thousands of customers. We're prevalent across the US in sports, entertainment, and tourism, and each of these assistants that live in these locations are now being broken out to help other customer experience focused companies, whether it be in the services industry, consulting, hospitality, or any CPG. We're backed by some tremendous brands, including Google, Red Light Management, one of the top agencies in music, Techstars, the 49ers in Major League Baseball, Vinnick Sports Group out of Tampa Bay, Broadway Eye, a consortium of Hamilton, Schubert, Nederlander, Jujamson, and Broadway across America, and finally, Stadia Ventures. Thank you for your consideration, and hopefully look forward to working with some of you in the future. Have a great day.